Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my nails at home. So if you'd like to see what I'm going to do, just keep watching. Alright, I am using the mood changing color nail dip system. It's called SerenDIPity and it's from a brand called Color Club. This kit comes with 2 different colors. It also comes with a brush cleaner. It comes with the activator and then also a bonding gloss, which is more so kind of like nail glue. Well, it smells like nail glue, but it is really glossy. And I love this blue. I had a hard time deciding what color I was going to use, but blue is my favorite color, even though this is kind of like a teal, but I went on ahead and went with the blue. All right, all of the directions are located on the back of the box. First, it says to wash your hands with soap and water. Make sure you dry thoroughly. It also said to use the medium side of that buffer that came with the set to remove the shine and the oils from your nails. I kind of had a difficult time figuring out which side was the medium side, so I kept flipping it all around. Also, it says to remove any dust by wiping the surface of each nail with an alcohol wipe. And doing this will also help with the bonding. That way your nails won't pop off really easily. Okay, first you have to start off by applying the bonding gloss to your first finger. It says to brush evenly with medium pressure. After that, you have to dip your finger in the powder using a scooping motion, which is what I did. This powder wasn't as finely milled as I thought it would be, but it wiped away pretty easy, and I just used this makeup brush to wipe away the dust from around my nail. I have to say, this application is starting off really easy. I am so far really impressed. Okay, this is what we're looking like after the first layer. I went on ahead and applied 3 layers to my nails. Right now I'm finishing up that 3rd layer. Okay, and I'll go ahead and do the other hand off camera just to save time. All right, halfway through my other hand, I realized that I actually missed a step. After you finish applying all your desired layers to your nails, you're supposed to drench your nails in the activator. And this right here is what's going to help the dip to harden and be more like acrylic. So I missed that step, but I just stopped in the middle of what I was doing and went back to that hand, to my first hand, and went on ahead and applied that activator. And also you have to make sure that you cover the edge of all your nails, and make sure you cap off the tips of the nails as well. All right, here's what I'm looking like after I have 3 layers on each hand. Okay, I'm going to move on to my shaping and filing. I could not see myself using that buffer file that came with the kit, so I'm going to go ahead and use my file that I love, that I use all the time, and I find these at Sally's. I'm unsure of the brand, don't have it in front of me at the moment, but I find it at Sally's. Okay, having a nail drill is not a necessity. You could very well achieve nice, smooth, beautiful nails with just a hand file. But I decided to cheat a little bit. I did find this nail file at Sally's. I have been having it for years. I purchased it years ago when I was in cosmetology school, when I was learning how to do acrylic nails. Like I said, it is not a necessity, but it does help. But yeah, my daughter decided she needed to come help me to straighten up my table. After you get your nails filed to your desired way, you have to go in and take your buffer and make sure you smooth the top of the nails off. Okay, this is what we're looking like after the filing. All right, the directions also say after you get done with your filing and shaping, you have to make sure to rinse your hands off only with just plain water. After you do that, you have to dry the nails off really good, and then you have to apply the activator to all the nails once again, just to make sure that all of the nails, after filing them down, you have to make sure that it is still coated with that activator, because you want to make sure those nails are hard. That way they, stay on your hand. So that's what I'm doing right now. Once you apply the activator, you want to let it dry, and then the directions say to use a dry wipe to wipe the surface of each nail, and I'm just using a paper towel. All right, this is where you get to the fun glossy part. On the first hand, you have to apply 2 to 3 very quick brush strokes in a very thin layer. I don't know that mine are very thin, but I did try not to apply a lot. It says when you do this round that you don't have to worry about getting too close to the cuticle area or capping off the edges. And then it also says to wait 15 seconds. So once you wait 15 seconds, then you want to continue on that same hand, and then you want to apply a slower, more detailed second coat with the Bond Gloss. And this is where you're going to get that beautiful shine at on your nails. All right, so this is what we're looking like so far, y'all. I am seriously impressed. Look at my nails. They are beautiful. I can't believe I did this myself. They look so good. All right, I'm gonna go in with some cuticle oil. And the directions say wait 1 to 2 minutes after you let your nails air dry from the last layer of the bonding gloss, and then apply cuticle oil or hand lotion to moisturize your hands. All right, y'all, I love my nails. I am so excited. I cannot wait to come back and try the other color. Oh my God, I love these nails. They are so beautiful. I can't believe I did this. I'm serious. I have the ugliest hands, but I don't care. My nails look bomb. All right, guys, but that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for tuning into my video. Make sure you guys tune back in when I do the other color. I cannot wait to try the other color out. But that's everything. Make sure you like, comment, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you tap the bell so you can get a notification when I upload that new video. But thanks, y'all.